Bochomaga, welcome back to my channel. This is a weekend vlog. Finally, not a Saturday vlog. This is a long weekend vlog. We are off to Mpumalanga, Hazy View, for a holiday with my bae. We're going on a vacation. Hello, baby.
Hello. Gang.
All right, guys, come with us and let's go on holiday. Hello, Wachamaka. We've arrived at our weekend campsite, Ngambeni Safari Camp. Guys, welcome to our weekend getaway venue. It's called Ngambeni Safari Camp, so it's glamping. If you can see around, we've got tents, we've got showers, there's a bed. It's like a house, but in the tent, in the bushes. Yeah, man, come with me inside and let's see. It's the first time we're also doing this, but I actually like it, hey? We're always, like you at times leave your house to go to a hotel that almost feels like a house. So come with me. Right up here, it's a smoker's corner. It's your coffee corner, it's your tea corner, it's your thinking space. And over there, it's just the bushes. I can't wait for tomorrow morning. We'll be hearing room for the next couple of nights. Like I said, it's home but different. Check the windows are different. There's ventilation. Hopefully there won't be any mosquitoes coming in, but even if there is, and also there's an aircon, guys. That is if we're not happy with the ventilation or maybe it gets too cold because of the tent, so it adapts to temperature. The rest, guys, is the bed here. I love it. It's big enough. And we have a shower bathroom. There's a shower in here. Unfortunately, only one person can shower at a time. Sorry, baby. And then right here we have a toilet. You can flush. You see, it's not a long drop. It's not a long drop, so you can flush. Check the roof. It also has a net, just like the windows. So we're safe if really anything comes and crawls up to us. Here's a basin. There is no TV. That is absolutely fine with me. We're gonna have quality time with baby, and yeah, man, create memories, enjoy sunsets, early morning sunshine, yeah, guys. So we'll see you. Welcome back, Bochomaga. I hope you behave like a Gerere mama. Please, June 16. We had our first night here at the Ngambeni Safari Camp. We slept in a tent, guys. Oh, the tent is luxury, hey? And there's an aircon, so we didn't feel the cold. Oh, problem, the layers are very thin of the tent, son. Our neighbors, I think they were making noise. They were making noise. But other than that, it's just been a great experience. We couldn't go for a game drive in the morning because I don't think between me and love anyone wants to wake up at 5 to go see animals. So we will check it out in the afternoon. And the network is not so good. There's few activities that we want to do, so we will see once we leave the campsite and try new new adventures. I really want to do bungee jumping, but I don't think I'm eligible. Yeah, it's 135 kgs and I'm currently on 140 kgs, so I'm 500 sorry, I'm 5 kgs or 500. I'm 5 kgs just above the limit, but it's not a problem. Remember, we're working on something big here, losing weight, so meaning that we can come back in a couple of months for another safari experience, for another camp experience, and surely I should be able to sorry, I'm seeing a creature under the tent. I will be able to do bungee jumping if they don't allow me today. That's still fine. Actually, yeah, in a month's time I would have lost another 10 kgs. See you later, Bachumaga. Oh, your face, you're saying, so melty, so defrosty, baby. It's very sensitive. He can't be even seen now. Let me see.
What's your name? Sorry.
My name is Lucy.
Lucy and her name?
Keketo.
Keto.
Keketo Pako. Keketo.
How do we get her name?
On YouTube. You just search the name Keketo. Keketso. Keketso. TSO. Yes. Keketo. Thank you.
Guys, this is amazing, eh? So while we're glamping in a structured tent, there's people who actually this is beautiful. Maybe I think one of these days, we must do camping, not glamping.
Yesterday you were saying a different word, today you're saying a different thing.
A wise man is allowed to drink a lot. Check this.
Don't go too far, eh?
No, I think we must also just walk to reception to get a pass. We didn't get a pass.
The pass is there. It's that thing.
No, they said.
No, that's the pass.
Okay, let's make a bet.
Let's make a bet.
200, 200.
Cool. No problem.
And I'm saying we need a pass.
And I'm telling you that we don't need a pass.
Okay, and because I know that I'm a winner,
Okay,
you're gonna have
cool.
to give me the money
Nope.
in front of the camera so that the people can see.
No problem.
Okay.
No problem.
Let's walk around that way
Wait.
to the car. That way.
Okay.
Oh, this is so beautiful. Good morning. You have a moving house. Are you selling food? No. How are you? I'm so sorry to invade you. Have you seen my name is Keketo?
Yeah.
It's the first time I'm camping. And we went glamping last time.
Okay.
So I'm seeing all of this online. So we are vlogging. I'm a YouTuber.
Okay.
I will close our conversation, but if you don't mind. So you own this? Like you
Yeah.
rented it?
No, I don't. It's what I use for camping.
Like this is in your yard every day.
Yeah.
Like you're joking.
No, I'm not joking.
Oh my god, this is so beautiful. So what's inside here? Is it your kitchen? What is it?
No, kitchen's outside. Inside is just the beds. 2 people can sleep inside and 2 people on that side. So it's 4 people in total.
Four people in total.
Yeah.
And how do you
4
shower?
adults or 4 just
The
2?
shower, usually we use the ablution of the, but at the back you can put an additional tent and you've got a shower at the back with the geyser that heats up the water. You've got a water tank underneath. It's got a battery system so you can go off the grid.
You see, I'm dropping my jaw.
Yeah, so you can stand in the bush for about 2 to 3 days without recharging the system.
Wow.
How much is this thing, the whole thing?
Well, they vary in price. Right? So if you buy it brand new, it's like 500,000 rand. This one was about 290, 290,000 rand. Yeah,
Beautiful.
yeah, if you like.
So does it have like, do you have to renew it for the
Yeah,
road?
it's licensed, obviously. But yeah, if you like staying in the bush,
No, the bush is like, I am now seeing it.
My wife is part of the honorary rangers. So that's why we're here. They went out this morning to go do some snaring and stuff in the bush. So I'm just relaxing, waiting for them to get back. Cool, no problem.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Everywhere. I can promise you the impalas, but I cannot promise you anything. We are doing well so far, guys. Very, very well.
God is with us.
I told you something.
God is with us.
Guys, this is a male elephant. How do I tell it's a male? The tusks are broader tusks. The female is very narrow tusk. In the forehead here, the males are like round, like this one. The female is angled.
Welcome back to my channel, Bochomaga. And to everyone who's new here, welcome to my channel, Chomaga. Please remember to subscribe so that we can officially be Bochomaga. Guys, it's the 18th of June and it is Father's Day. Firstly, I'd like to wish all Bochomaga a good Father's Day. To all the fathers, everybody who's playing a father figure role, to every child. We love you, we see you, and we appreciate you. And it is also our last day at Nkambeni Safari Camp with the love of my life. Guys, it's just been glorious, hey? Being in the homesteads, but you're on holiday. I'm trying to work on closing vlogs, you know. I know you would see a welcome, it's a Saturday. Then I'll give you an update and not close. But I think, I do that mainly because I want to get as much content as I can, and thereafter I want to engage, you know, connect with people. We met strangers last night. We met strangers at the game drive. It was bliss. We met strangers at the Boma last night, dinner Boma. It was epic, guys. Like, we had the time of our lives. I wanted to go home by 7. I was tired, but we got to our room at 11. You know, we made new connections. I was present, so I guess that's the reason I'm not able sometimes to vlog and say, oh, this is a wrap, you know, what my day was like, because I'm intentional about spending time with people, connecting with strangers, connecting with my beloved, and just being in the moment. I just find that sometimes the camera is a distraction. Anyway, we're heading home and the time is 9:20. Yeah, 9:20. I would have loved to go to Graskop for a bungee jump fall. It is impractical for now. I have lost only 10 kgs and I'm currently on 140 kgs. The permitted weight for a bungee jump at the Graskop is 135 kgs. So baby took it in, took one for the team, and he is sacrificing his. He's allowed to put it on pause until I lose 5 more kilos, 10 more kilos, and we'll be back here at the Graskop for the bungee jump fall. So now we are heading home. We just want to make it an interesting drive back home, not flat out straight 5 hours to Joburg, but we're gonna stop at few attractions. I will capture content, but like I said, I'm going to capture and we close the camera because I just want to be present. And yeah, let me call your fate. Babe, come say hello to Bochomaga. Are you having something to eat?
That meat yesterday.
Oh.
Hello. How are you? I'm good. Awesome. It has been a great weekend. Little marker. And Still giving it. Catherine, still going back.
I've just told them, you said you won't be going for bungee jumping because I can't do it, but we're gonna come back once I've lost 5 more kilos, 10
Maybe
more kilos.
10.
Yeah. We're gonna come back, but for now we're just going to take a scenic route and go to some of the attraction places.
We'll show you.
Don't have our way
Stay
to
tuned.
sit in. And how did you find the place?
It's awesome. The reception, the people, and everyone here is just friendly, and I'm loving it. The game drive yesterday was awesome. We learned about lions, that the female lions actually go hunt for the male lions. So basically, and I don't understand in Yemeni.
You don't have to understand. You're not a lion. It's not going to happen. Forget about it. How are you finding at glamping?
It's actually nice. At first you'd be like, I go on TV, there's nothing, you don't have this, you don't have that, but I think you connect with nature, you connect better, like you have that feel to say that, you know what, one day I really want to have a tent myself, but yeah, it's nice, man.
And the people are nice, hey? I think because people are connecting with nature here.
Exactly.
People are just down to earth.
Plus there's security here, so you get followed if you're coming through this place and going out.
You get escorted, guys. So our one aspect that's great about this place is that yesterday we got a pass because
Wanted to go get
there was a
some
wardrobe malfunction, so I needed to get pants. And as we're driving, we noticed that there's a car that's following us in a Baecation, and coming back it's there also. So we stopped. Both cars stopped, and baby dropped the window, and they actually told us that they've been following us. They are escorting us. So as soon as we leave the Kruger, they get a notification and follow us. So that gave me a great sense of security. Sometimes people can see that you are a foreigner in their place, and they might want to take advantage and rob us, like. So yeah, guys.
So it's pop up. See you later. Maybe we'll close this thing when we get home.
Yeah, maybe when we get home, but
We don't know.
we don't know. But we love you guys,
Love you guys.
and this is road to 200 subscribers. Ochomaga.
Welcome to the new guys. Sure.
Sure.